Okay, we've let this set up in overnight, so we got our 3 center pieces here glued together. So what we have to do is we have to cut this back part off, because this will give us our access point if we ever have to get inside to make repairs. So we're going to cut this off right in here, and then we'll take our sander and I'm going to sand this part down in here. There, we have that, and we have this. So before we put these on, we want to get this sanded down, and then we can mark, because we're going to cut this section out in here. Somewhere in there. So we'll cut this out, but we want to get this, and then we can make our marks on that there. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.